Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to do my third NASCAR diecast unboxing. There's only one car in here. I got this car from K-State Diecast, as you can see. Pretty good car. So I'm just gonna show you the car in just a minute. Now just check out this box open. Yeah. Got a bunch of popcorn. Oh yeah. Yeah. Popcorn. Now we're talking. Now we are talking. This is the car I want. The Austin Dillon 2013 Honey Nut Cheerios. Chevy SS for Witcher Children's Racing. Awesome. I think this is coming in my number one diecast. I believe I'm the second person on YouTube to have this card. Yeah. So you should stay tuned for reviews and goodbye YouTube.